Buenas tardes, Joel. I just wanted to record this quick video to provide an extra explanation about the topic of the imperfect and the past tense. I have a few sentences that they will provide extra clarity, or they will bring extra light to this topic. We have this first sentence, yo hablo con mi novia todos los días, which is clearly a present situation, a routine. I talk to my girlfriend every day, when you're in love. Then we have a situation in the past. Ayer yo hablé con mi novia. Yesterday I spoke with my babe. That's the way you talk to the babe. Hey babe. Hi babe. Pumpkin pie babe. Then when you finally realize that she wasn't the one for you, then you say something like, yo hablaba con mi novia todos los días. I used to talk to my girlfriend every day until I found out that I wasn't the only one. So that's something that you used to do that you're not doing any longer in the present time. Another example. Todos los veranos nosotros vamos a la playa. Every summer, we go to the beach. Past situation. El verano pasado, nosotros fuimos a la playa. Last summer, we went to the beach. Last summer, that was in 2019. But then, that's something that we don't do in the present time right now. And you may say something like this. Todos los veranos nosotros íbamos a la playa. Every summer we would go to the beach, but you don't go to the beach anymore. So we have the present situation, we have our simple past situation that we have a clearly marked time indicator, last summer, el verano pasado. And the imperfect past is imperfect because it doesn't have a precise time indicator or time limit. Every summer. How many summers were those ones? Many summers. We can't really tell which one exactly. So this is an indicator of the imperfect. In your resources of this lesson 10, you also find PowerPoint that talks about the imperfect. You have the construction of the regular verbs, and these are the marks that the verbs are imperfect. The endings aba, ia, and ia. Again, in this same PowerPoint, you find more information about the same imperfect conjugation. And you see right here, this lady saying, as a child, I barely got sick. As a child. Being a child implies being maybe from 3, 4, 5, 6 years old until maybe 10 or 11 years old. And she says right here, when my tummy hurt, remember you were a child, you say tummy, when my tummy hurt, my mama would give me ginger tea. Because she's not a child any longer, then she's telling the story as the imperfect tense. All right, y'all. This is what I wanted you to watch and listen. And if you have any more questions about this imperfect tense, just let me know or send me an email. Thank you and have a good afternoon.